Hello guys, Joe here from iPrototype Electronics. Today we've gotten ourselves on a very cool buds from Sony, the Sony WF-1000xm3. We will be doing the unboxing to see what content it has in the box. The Sony WF-1000xm3 people, let's see what the box says. Basically from the box it says it has a hand-free calling with HD voice. It has Type-C charging, and you know what Type-C charging means? That means it can charge pretty fast. Most likely 30 minutes will give you a good amount of power. From the quick charge point of view, there is a point down here about the same. Basically 10 minutes of charge can give you up to 90 minutes. 90 minutes. Man, that's crazy. Yeah? Then music playtime on noise cancellation, the buds will give you 6 hours. And with the charging case it will give you 24 hours. That is some good stuff, man. And music playtime, when the noise cancellation is off, it will give you a maximum of 8 hours and 32 hours of playtime while using the charging case. So imagine yourself in camping. You have no worries, man. On camping, this one will give you a complete day. That is perfect. You can check the following day in your car. Yeah? We are going straight into unboxing. Let's see what this beast contains in the box, man. Okay. Basically, we open it. Nothing inside. Some instructions on the box. Let's see the layout of the headphones themselves. The setting inside. Beautiful layout in here. The buds themselves are positioned on the higher side. Let's see what they look like. Basically, this is how they look like. Black with a golden finish. They are large compared to AirPods Pros. They are quite large. Yes. Let's look at the case. It's completely black with a golden lid. Very nice design inside, completely labeled for you to be able to put every bud in its right position. Charging case, of course Type-C. These ones are not wireless charging, please note that. Yeah. It has an IC, yeah. Let's see what is inside. They've included some tips for all sizes of ears. This is a nice touch. Yeah. We have the charging cable and a few manuals to assist you in setting up and basically tell you the capabilities of the buds. Yeah. Let's see how these things connect to your various phones. Okay, right now I'm using an iPhone XS. First of all, I'll take out the buds. Taking out the buds will prompt the buds to go straight to pairing. I'll put it in my ears. Left, right, left side there. I might have two left ears maybe. Yeah. Okay. Left side here. This is right. My ear seems to be small. Okay, that's how they look. Now to pair, basically you hold the earphones together like that. To take the earphones to pairing mode. Then basically go to your phone, Bluetooth. Then my Bluetooth on. Yeah, WX-1000. Yeah. They are connected. Connect to them. Immediately the earphones will prompt you to download a couple of Sony applications. It will ask for Music Center and headphones. Okay, now the apps are downloaded. Basically, they are the Music Center and the headphones. Let's see what the Music Center contains. Immediately you open the Music Center, the first page shows the pictures of the buds themselves, and yeah, it shows the library. I think it will try to connect with all the kind of playlist and music you have in the phone. It will connect them under one app. It shows you the percentage of the buds themselves, the particular ones. For this case, this one is 100%, and it can also show you battery level for the charging case. Yeah, for this case it's 70. It gives you a bunch of equalizers. You can look at the sound quality, priority on stabilization. You can turn on the noise cancellation on and off. You can select what the headphones will do with this when you get the buds of your ears. A bunch of self-explanatory commands that the app can tell you. Yeah. Let me play some music. It's pretty good. It has very strong bass. For people who like hip hop and the music will be, these ones will give you a very strong bass. You will actually love these earphones. On the part of noise cancellation, with noise cancellation off, I'll ask my cameraman to speak. Say testing, testing.
Testing.
Yeah, basically I can hear him. Let me turn on the noise cancellation. Say the same thing.
Testing.
Yeah, it actually kills out most of the environment noise. I can hear him from afar, but it's pretty good. The noise cancellation is pretty good as compared to the AirPods. It's actually better than the AirPods Pro. That's pretty nice. I hope this video has been helpful to you guys. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell. And if there is something I've forgotten to say, please comment right below and let us know about it. And if there is anything you'd like us to talk about in our future videos, comment right below and we'll get back at it. Thank you for watching.